Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club. In this video, I would like to take the opportunity and to review a broker I started to trade with recently. When recently? At the beginning of May, to be precise. I'm talking about Mugan Markets, and I want to give in this video all the reasons why I started trading with them, and at the end, as part of my agreement with Mugan Markets, a special offer to our community. So first of all, let's take a look here. Just enlarge the, here we go. So first of all, this is my account. Before I go and talk about all my account, which you also can see here, again, just started. And I'm trying out something in a very small risk here. So I want to explain the steps. With the link below this video, you can directly access the Mugan Markets and open your trading account with. And as I promised at the end of this video, a special offer for the community. So here you just fill quickly all the information, all the required information of your account, and just go and make your deposit. One of the greatest advantages, at least from my point of view, is the instant withdrawal and instant deposits in crypto. Okay, so I, for example, do my transactions with USDC. I open an account, and I send my money in USDC. There are various options, of course, you can choose. Okay, let me show you advantages of Mugan Markets and why I think you should consider them as a broker to trade with. So this, let's just go here, very, very great opportunity from my point of view for those who are looking for custom conditions, custom ECN it's called, which provides you an amazing leverage, again, for those who want to take some risk, right? And also amazing conditions like spreads starting from 0 and commission round per side. Okay? If you don't pay spread, you pay commission, and custom commission based on the instruments you trade. You can get better commissions, or in that case, better fees you have to pay per side on the instruments you trade. So if, for example, you trade specifically on the euro dollar or gold or dollar yen or whatever it is, you can have your custom designed for you fees and conditions, which is amazing because let's admit it, every trader has the instruments or the markets they love to focus on, and that allows you to trade with unbeatable conditions. The other accounts here, as you can see, there's a classic ECN and the trader ECN, and their conditions are also amazing. The execution is ultra fast. It's a true ECN execution here. From my point of view, it's absolutely important, I would say, condition for traders. Mugan Markets offer the MT4. You can find everything on the website. Okay? I just want to quickly give you the overview how it all works. The crypto, as I mentioned before, the instant deposits and withdrawal. You can read here more about that once you are in. Again, you can follow directly with the link below this video. Okay, and maybe it's important for those who are interested in it, of course. Maybe one of the greatest features here is their PAM marketplace. Okay, the managed account marketplace. This is specifically for those who are not looking just to trade, but also to follow traders, proven traders that deliver results directly from the marketplace. Okay, so that's another great option Mugan Markets offer. So once you completed your registration, open the account, you will get access to the portal. Let me show you how the portal looks like and what you will find inside. So this is Mugan Markets portal. This is where the access you would get, and here you would see all the information about your trading and your trading execution. Okay, so as I said, this is my account I opened with Mugan Markets. I started again, ultra conservative here. I just want to try something, how to go in a conservative mode, okay, and still deliver very beautiful results. So that's my goal here, basically. So inside the portal, you would find a place where you upload the documents, of course. You will find all your information and your trades distribution, all the instruments you work with. You find access to the different sessions, your accounts. I have also another account I'm going to fund here. Here you will find the information about your account, so you can deposit and you can withdraw directly from the members area, and that is the portal. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward. Now, very important thing here, due to the regulations Mugan Markets apply, the KYC documents. Okay, so it's the KYC documents. They are not required for you to start. Okay, you can start instantly, but as soon as you want to withdraw your profits, the KYC are very important, and you will have to upload documents. So please bear that in mind. It's important. So that's pretty much it. Straightforward. Nothing here that is hidden. Nothing here that again. I wanted to give this review because maybe you followed me on the Instagram, where I did several posts and stories about my account and the progress and everything. So I wanted to do a dedicated video mentioning all the features Mugan Markets offer, all the advantages from my point of view, and the reasons why I decided to also give it a shot. Open my account and partnership, and do some partnership with Mugan as well. Mugan support my channel and my work. I support definitely their work. I love what they have to offer. I love the way the trading happens on their platform. I love the speed, really the execution, fantastic. The conditions are fantastic, especially with the custom ECN, as I showed you. And as I promised for the community, for all those who also want to join Mugan Markets, enjoy all their features, join the PAM accounts they offer, their managed accounts and managed execution. As part of my agreement with Mugan Markets, I am willing to give back. And of course, here is where the interesting part comes in. You can go directly to my blog, VladimirRibakov.com. Go here to my strategies and courses and follow this in-house indicator link. Here you would find several projects with developed indicators, trading solutions, EAs that help you to trail your stop loss in very professional methods to calculate and control the risk management. All the indicators and the EAs we have are available for you here. Choose any two you want. Contact me. You will have my Telegram directly below. You can contact my support team as well, and I will provide the access to you to two of your desired instruments that you choose. Okay, any two that you find here. If you want to have access to Home Trader Club instead of getting the access to these indicators and the other trading solutions, no problem. Just let me know and we will make sure it happens for you. Again, I want to support back the Mugan Markets that support my channel and my work, and I want to support all those of you from my community who will consider and also follow them, exactly like myself. Well, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach me out. Of course, as always, I'm there for you, and I want to make everything clean and like I love to do, transparent and crystal clear, and explain all the features, show you my account, show you my progress, show you how it all works, and I hope you you find it helpful. Straightforward. That's it. So thanks for your time watching this video, and I wish you good trading. I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.